This video will show you how to block someone in Microsoft Teams.
It is pretty simple to block someone in Microsoft Teams. So you just go here in the right, just go here in the left side panel, go to chats, go to your chats where pick a person who you want to block. For example, is this one. We don't really have a conversation, so you select this three dot icon right here, select it, and you will have another options again. Then you have this option right here, block immediately. So it's that easy, and it will ask for your confirmation if you really want to block this person. And if you want to delete this person, then just go to settings, people, then manage blockers. So if you really want to block the person, then just press block, and that's it. You have blocked this person, then you won't be able to call or message you. They also can see your status to know you blocked them. That's all.